Yo, people. Sorry about that. I had to restart my stream. Had to restart it. Let's see. Okay, we back. Yeah, my bad, bro. I had to restart real quick. It's flying like a mofo. I know. Yo, what up, bro? My bad, y'all. I had to reset. I had to reset it up. But we back. I did post it. It's time. Hell yeah. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, damn, this thing is flying. Let me try to find something. I need to find something. Let me see. What am I looking at? All right, what am I looking at? I see a possible, let's see. Did this 3P ever get low? 97 or 79.48. 79.48. 79.46. So that never broke the low. So that ended up creating a 42, which was the break of this low. So that low would go to the 30-minute, and then you would see a fake out at the 30-minute. Let's see, would it be here? Oh, yep, it would be here, I think. Look. So this would be a fake out. Yeah, that's the fake out. Okay, so that's done. That's where the fake out was, at that dotted line right here. That's the fake out. All right. So that is done. So this was a 42, and then this is how it plays out, exactly just like that. So understand, a 42 leads into a fake out just like this. And where does a fake out down mean? It means we're going up. So that's what that means. So the next idea would be the next 3-piece right here. So look, this was the area we needed to tap to go up. So if we break above here, our next area that we need to find would possibly be up here. So let's see. Hold on. Let me see. Hey, thanks for streaming. Yeah, bro. For sure, bro. Anytime. Anytime, huh? I wish. But yeah, let me make sure the Discord is open too. I need to have the Discord open. Yeah, and that's the thing too. I only got one screen, so it's like it's hard to keep everything at once. Video, no, not that one. Account review, no. Please log in, no, that one. Download and update. The thing had to update. All right, so let me see. Next thing, this was the next 3-piece that needed to happen. So if that was the fake out, that was the okay. That was that one. So it would be the fake out right here. Was there even a fake out down there? Okay, let's see. So that would be a fake out to the downside, to the lower high, to the lower 30-minute, right here. So let's see, right here would be that one. It would be to that one, right? which would be that one. Or is it this one? Oh, yeah, it would be that one. Okay, that's the fake out. So now what we need to look for is the next ones that need to get tapped, which most likely will be this one. This one needs to be tapped. 85.62. So let's see. Damn, bruh. That would be the break up here. Previous high would be here. Yo, what up, G? My bad, yo. Yeah, damn, this thing is flying though. Damn, I need to try to see. Yeah, make sure you guys like it up. Let's get this stream back up. I had it kind of cracking a little while ago. I'm trying to send it out to everybody that I'm streaming right now. So just give me a second. Bear with me, guys. I should be trying to get into a trade right now, but man, got some stuff going on. 1 second. Yeah, well, that's what I was actually trying to look for right now. That goof. This is actually a 42 that forms. A 42, it forms a 42, right? So a 42 goes to the previous high. So let's go to the 30. The previous highs would be right here, like even right here. But I'm wondering if technically we need to go all the way up here. So I'm trying to look in to see if we could take a buy right here at some point or another. Look at that. On the 5 minute, it created a 3-piece going down. 82.9. Yeah, I just got a lot. Damn, I'm trying to finish this thing on my phone real quick. That's why I'm just trying to. Yeah, this is where I'm thinking though. Look at this is okay. This is what I understand about a 42. All right, look, a 42 when it breaks this third high, right, it goes to the higher time frame. So this is kind of one of the things, if you guys are listening, hopefully you guys are listening to when I say about the 42s, understand the 42. Okay, look, this is how I read it. On a 15-minute time frame, the break of this high signals 42. You go to a higher time frame, the 30-minute, the recent highs is usually where you're gonna get the fake out to happen at. So I'm wondering if this could possibly be a fake out. So when this next 30-minute candle closes, possibly even the hourly, depending on where this hourly closes, also will also give us the idea where this is going to head. This could possibly even continue up, but that's what I'm saying though, is that when you read a 42, that's kind of the idea, is that that's what's happening. But this is the thing now. Okay, so look, there's this thing that I've been figuring out, and these last few weeks has been a lot of learning about this stuff that I've been doing and just figuring it all out. So look, this is a 42, right? 42s lead into a fake out, which is this fake out right here, and inside of the fake out is usually either another 42 or a 3-piece. So that's where I'm saying is that I'm wondering if this could possibly be the top of this fake out, that we could possibly continue back down. I mean, even continue up, who knows? But I'm just giving this idea to where if I go to the 5-minute, there was a possible 3-piece that happened right here. So what I'm also saying though is that understand that a 42 down here signals fake out. So fake out going up means there's going to be a fake out somewhere at this point. And that's where I'm saying is that how to find the area you're looking for is go up to a higher time frame, and the higher time frame is what says the previous high. You could either say this one or maybe even this one possibly for the ultimate peak entry. But what I'm saying is that look, if I put that dotted line right there, look at where the rejection exactly happened at, exactly at that top right there. So why I'm saying that though is that if I go to a 1-minute time frame, or let's say a 5-minute time frame, that's look at where exactly that's happening at. So what this is now telling me though is that this is either the fake out down, but if I went to a smaller time frame, this is not the fake out. So what I see happening though is that we might need to come back above this line right here to create the fake out above the line. This is what I've been figuring out also though, is that let's say, oh god, let me go to this 30-minute. Let me go exactly. That's what I'm saying though, is that this could possibly be just liquidity also to go back up. But this is why I say that though, like I said, 42 leads into a fake out. So at some point there's going to be a fake out to come back down. This could have been the fake out though, but it could go back up the next one in a sense, because this could just be liquidity that's getting grabbed. But where I'm saying though is that 42 lets me know where these liquidity areas are going to be at. So you could almost tell where this pullback would be at. So let's say for instance we were in a buy and we were in a really good position. This are the areas you would add to your position, because you know it's going to continue up if that was what part of the plan. But what I'm saying though is that you go to the previous high. So like I said, look, a 42 down here, 1, 2, this one right here, the break of that high signal 42. You go to higher time frame, it's either this one right here, which would be this high right here, or it's going to be this one right here. So but the thing is though, like I was saying, is that what I've been noticing is that it needs to close above that. It can't, like the way it is right now, it needs to close above it, and it's not closing above it just yet. So what that also tells me though is that this is going to continue back up even more. So it's up until this next few candles if this one closes above or whatnot. So let me see on a even smaller time frame, there should be a fake out above this line that happens before. This is why I'm saying, look at this is why I think this is going to be the one that possibly goes back up. It needs to go above there, and then the next one will be going back down like this. But like I said, the fake out has to go above that line right there. And the reason why this happened exactly perfectly is kind of telling me though that if the line was like this, it would have already been triggered. This 3-piece would have signaled boom to go down and doing all of that, this and that. But that's why I also say though is that if it doesn't close above that line like that, it's not the fake out yet. And there's a reason why it's pretty much exactly at that top still. It's still not there yet. So that's what I'm saying though is that this move could still be continuing up. But I'm not done yet. I need to find, like I said, I'm going to find this area of where we're going to be looking for. Yo, what up? XYM. I ain't seen you in a minute, bro. Appreciate you. Good taking out Fridays. Yeah, I think. But yeah, let me keep going about this. Let me keep figuring this out. I got this. I'm gonna go crazy right now. Watch. Just give me a second. Give me a second. All right, so 42. Go up here to this, which would signal that. That would be that. That would signal that one, which would be this one. Fake out. Boom. So I'm wondering is that if this is the fake out, it's possibly the fake out maybe gonna be on the 1 hour. So in the next let's see, I guess 5 or no, that'll be that. So what I see happening is on this 1 hour, it needs to possibly have this fake out somewhere in these areas. So it might need to have a fake out like this candle and then that one right next to it. But look at that, so it's already starting to go back down again. That's what, but I'm wondering if that could have been the, or if this was the top right here. Okay, this might be actually the top. So this is the reason. The reason why I say that is because look, this is going down. This is the support, right? Now when we're going up, this is the resistance right here. And the wick is still part of this move right here going up. It's not until this candle that we started moving down. So this would be the top right here. So that's why I say though, this is where the fake out happened at. And look at, that's the fake out that's coming down. Because why? Because understand, like I said, the 42 right here signals fake out. So if it happens to fake out, it needs to go down like that. But that's what I'm saying is that the fake out now is you go to the higher time frame. So when you see the 42 on a 15-minute, that means fake out. It just depends. Don't take my word for this. It's every time. I understand which way to go. It's the thing is when you understand these 3 pieces and 42s, you either have to go up a time frame or you have to go down a time frame. And when you go up or down a time frame, that's when you start to see the fake outs and then the things like that. So that's where I'm saying though is that you just have to understand. It could even be, to be honest, like I was saying though earlier, I'm wondering if it's usually the previous high. So this is also going to tell me something right here. I'm not going to get into this trade or anything, but this is what I'm just saying is that it could even mean this one. From what I know, from what I've been researching, is that it's the previous high. So if this happens to close underneath this line in the next little bit, it's going to tell me that it was the previous high. So the 15-minute 42, you go to the higher time frame, which is the 30. It's the previous high, which is exactly this one. Like I said, I was thinking it was this one, but it could be either one. But the thing is the ultimate one, the back testing that I've been doing is the first previous high. So the first previous high will be this one. So that's what I'm saying is that that's the area you would know. That's where you would want to take your sell at. And if you guys understand, look at, this is where it does kind of make sense too, is look at, that's exactly where this fake this 3-piece happened at. Look at, there's a 3-piece right here that formed. Okay, so this 3-piece needs to at least tap right here. But that's where I was also saying too is that I'm wondering if it we're gonna have to wait for these candles to close obviously, but so yeah, like I said, so let's go up to the 30. The 30 high is right here. So I mean, there's a few areas we're gonna have to really wait for this 30 to close though to really know exactly which area I'm going to be looking for, because it's either going to be this area or it's going to be this area. But either one, this one is still a fake out, and if it happens to close underneath this first line, then that's another, like, that's considering it a fake out also. So it's the same thing, but that's the ultimate sell right there. Because like I said, guys, this is what I'm saying, is that on the 15-minute time frame, a 42 leads into the fake out. And if it's the official fake out, what I've been noticing is the 42 leads into a 3-piece, and the 3-pieces usually get like that. And this is where I'm saying this 3-piece could still move up, but look, right now on the 5-minute, the 3-piece would be from the high of that and then the bottom of this candle right here. So this is the range now. So it pretty much already cleared this whole range. So this 3-piece is done now. So if it happens to go back up, it's already pretty much did everything the 3-piece was, because it's still not done yet. Because I mean, if you kind of look even previous before this, look, there's a 3-piece right here that created a 42, and the break of this high will signal a fake out. So you go to the lower time frame, which would be the 1 minute. Let's see the previous highs. Previous highs will be right here. See that one. Be that one. Yeah, it'll be this one right here. Look on the 5-minute. Yeah. All right. Yeah, but yeah, that's playing out. It's looking like it's playing out. I'm just wondering if okay, like I said, let me get back into this analysis real quick. So what I kind of see happening is one second. If that could have been the all right, look now this created another 15-minute 3-piece. So I'm trying to figure out what's gonna happen with this, if this is gonna continue to go back up. So look, that was on the 15, right? So the 15 42 leads into a 3-piece on a smaller time frame, which would be that one 42. So that would create, so yeah, I still see it. Let's see. So the previous highs would be a little bit higher than that, would be here. Yeah, Drizza, give me 1 second. I'm gonna explain it right now for you guys. Just give me 1 second. joined. Okay, so this, I'm wondering if this, okay, so look, I see a piece forming on a 5-minute and 15 going up. I know that's why I'm kind of debating on if this, because look, my idea is that this still needs to kind of go up a little bit. We're gonna see how this closes. Yeah, no, I definitely see those forming right now. Like I said, I see those forming, but this is where I'm trying to figure out is that why we still need to move up, because I don't see this move. It's gonna probably tap this dotted line and then move its way back up is kind of what I see forming. But I guess I need a second. I gotta figure this out. Yo, Raphael, been a long time. I'm in a party right now, hoping you catch some pips. Hey, appreciate it, Raphael. Appreciate it. Yeah, we're gonna try to catch these pips for sure, bro. For sure. Okay, I'm wondering if I could possibly get some kind of top wick. Oh, okay, look. All right, this is a 5-minute. This is going to say, if we break this high right here, this is going to tell me that, or if we break this low right here, it's going to go to the next, it's going to do one of the next two things. If it breaks the high, breaks the low, it's going to tell me that it's going to go next to right here. It's either going to go here or it's going to go here. So I'm going to see right now, whatever it breaks. Yeah, of course, right when I have to do something. Yeah, it's not a smart thing to do two things at once. You either need to trade or you need to do what you have to do. So I definitely see I need to work on something. ABJ. Oh look, okay, it broke the low first. So look, it's gonna have a fake out right here. It's gonna probably do a fake out right here to go back up, which would be on a higher time frame, a 15-minute time frame. So I'm wondering if this happens to go back up to here. But if this closes and it doesn't break this, then a 30-minute, it's gonna also create one. So I see it closing. It needs to close underneath there to complete that three-piece. I see. So, I mean, to complete that fake out. So, and I'm wondering if that could be. Damn, look at that way up here. See, that was the three-piece up here, 82. That was 29 pips. So that's the, let's see. Yeah, that's the fake out area. Okay, I'll make this red fake out red, so that way we get familiar with it. Red is fake out. That's the fake out area. 15-minute chart, 15 minutes. That's the fake out area, and that's gonna close in the next 30 seconds. So we're gonna see how that closes. So I'm wondering if this could be a, and then now on the 15 though, if it creates another 42 right here, it's gonna be the break of this low or the high here. Oh, which is also gonna be the break. Okay. So that'd be the fake out area. So I'm wondering if this could wiggle back into here. All right, that just closed above there. All right, so let's see. That'll be that area. All right. So that closed respecting it. So I'm wondering if we get a top wick to these areas up here now. Let me see. the tap. That was the tap. Fake out here, fake out. It's going back up. All right, that was it. That was it. All right, let me lock back in. Hey, Romeo. Hey, Romeo, when did he say that? Sorry. Yeah, I see. When did you see that, Romeo? My bad, I just seen your message right now. Are you still in here? Right here. Fake out right there. Previous low is that. So yeah, that's what that is. Yeah, I just seen that. My bad. And I just seen who a D Drizza, my bad. Are you still in here? Comment below if you're still in here, D Drizza. I'm gonna explain a 3-piece. My bad, I just got busy, had to do something real quick. Actually, let me see something real quick. Gotta do something real quick. Oh, actually, it's right here. Good. Thanks, bro. All right, let me give you a quick explanation real quick. So understand that a 3-piece is this right here, all right? It's when a candle is like this. This is one candle, right? And then the second candle has to be inside of the first candle. It can't break the low or the high, right? And then it's the third candle, which is why we call it a 3-piece. It's when it breaks the high or the low of the third candle. So if it breaks this high, then it comes down. If it breaks the low, then it goes up. So what it pretty much does is it kind of gives us an idea to trade, when it goes up, it breaks the high, and then it comes back down. Like I said, it has to go above first, and then on the way down. It not when it breaks it going up. It has to go up and then come back down above the high of that first candle. So that's the 3-piece. So what a 42 is the same exact thing, but it's when the third one doesn't break the high or the low of the first candle. So if it doesn't, then that's why we call it a 42 now. It's up to this fourth candle to either break the high or the low of the third candle. And when it breaks the high or the low of the third candle, it signals fake out in that direction. So if it breaks the low, fake out down. It breaks the high, fake out up. So that's the idea of understanding what I'm looking for. I mean, there's a lot to it, bro. There's a lot to it. You just have to show up to the streams every day, and I explain it every day. Every day I explain it, guys. So let's see. Let me put a timestamp at 18:18. That's a quick little rundown right now, but like I said, I want to make sure I But yeah, okay. So like, look at like right here. Look, I'm on the 15-minute time frame, right? Look, 15-minute time frame. Look, one. This is inside of the first candle. Look, boom, boom. This third one never broke the high or the low, so it stayed inside. So what happened now is it caused a 42. So now what a 42 is the break of the high of the high or the low of the third candle. And if you notice, it broke the low of the third candle, which signals fake out, which is why I'm saying I kind of understood we were going to be heading this way. I got super distracted. That was my bad. I got super distracted. Okay, so but look, 42 down, go down. Look at where the fake out happened at. This is the fake out that I'm pointing out. So what does a fake out mean? It means that we have to go back up now. So that's where I'm saying is that now I understand we have to go back up to a certain point to create another either resistance or whatnot. That's the idea of where we have to go. But I was already telling everybody, like, I understood that we had to go back down to a certain point to grab liquidity so we could go back up. And I think this was it. Okay, the 3-piece was on this candle right here. Look, so it was this candle right here. So maybe that's where the bottom of this 3-piece right here is going to be a solid line. Ooh. That's probably where we're getting an onion at. We're going to get an onion right there. So what is this dotted line? Let me get this dotted line up out of here. I forget what it already is for, but let me see. Okay, so look, and this is what I'm saying though, is that it forms it on all time frames. You just have to understand where the time frame is going to be at. Oh, I see where it was. Okay, so look, this is what, hold on, what? Excuse me. All right, so look at this is a perfect example right here, is that there was a 42 that formed right here. Look, 3-piece, boom, right here, 42. The break of the high is what signaled to 42. So what you do is when you get a break of the high of that candle, you go to a higher time frame, which is a 30 now, and then you go to the previous high, which is this area right here. That's exactly where we're going. That's where, so you could either say, okay, so it would probably be, I always say it's the previous high, which is usually that. But the thing is though, if you notice, the fake out didn't happen there. It happened pretty much at this high right here. So it's pretty much in the same range as what this one is. It's the same idea, but like I said, it was maybe a little bit off, but that's the same idea though, where I always go to the previous high, which would be this thing right here. So that's how I understand of where my target would be. So when you see a 42 form, look, a 42 formed way down here. So your entry would have been way down here. That's where, so you would be looking, okay, where should I be targeting? You go to a higher time frame, which is the previous high. And once you break above there, that's when you're going to start getting pullback. And that's how I understand how to read a market, is just understanding these things that need to play out. So look, so that was the 3-piece area right here. So that was that. So let me put that a dotted line. So that's also explaining why we're tapping into here before we're possibly moving up. This could possibly be a salary play to continue back up. But like I said, I understand where we're going to be start having pullbacks at. So it's either going to be a pullback to continue up, or this is going to be the continuation pullback to go back down. So it's also just depending on where we are in the market. Let's see. So on the 4-hour though, if you kind of look, we have a level 1 right here and a level 2 right here. So we're pretty much in a level, this is on the 4-hour. So we're still in level 1. So until we break level 2, we're still going to be bullish. So I mean, up in here, we're still bullish, which is why it's still not continuing back down all the way. All right, so but yeah, let me try to figure out where we're going to be heading for this next little bit. I mean, this this hourly also, this is the thing too though, is that like I said, this happened on the 15-minute. I've noticed the fake out happens, like if you kind of want to think about it, the previous high would be here, but the fake out would also be on the hourly. So at any point, this hourly could always come back down over here. And this could be just like an onion play, which is coming down and go like that. Oh, let me see. Yeah, I'm watching. All right, Romeo. All right, I saw it like 15 minutes ago. Okay, what was the Romeo? And I'm not trying to take the trade. I'm just wondering what was the entry. That way, I'm wondering, did they already get into the trade? Because if it was a buy, I'm sure they were taking the buy somewhere down here or something like that. So that would have been the ultimate goal, to try to get into that. No top wick on the 4 and the 1. Yes. Hold on 1 second, guys. Let me go grab something to drink. My mouth is gonna get some something to drink. All right, let me try to see something. Okay, so I see, okay, a 42 leads into a 3-piece, and that's the 3-piece that just played out. So that one played out already. That played out. So I'm wondering if this could be the possible onion that's forming right here, or it could continue up. Who knows? Let's see. Let's see. This is a low of 1979.74. Okay, so I did break the low. So let's see. All right, so what I see happening is this is a 42. We go down to a smaller time frame. We go right here. That is the fake out right there to go back up. So I'm wondering if there's possibly a 3-piece somewhere down here. That is the fake out. So like I said, look guys, this is another example of how I read it. Look, okay, look, this is a 3-piece that didn't form, so it was a 42, right? So the break of the low signals fake out. So what you do is, where your target would be before, obviously before any of this is happening. Once this gets broken, you will start looking on a smaller time frame. So this is on the 5-minute, I mean the 15-minute. You go to the 5-minute. Now you go to the previous low, which would be this red candle right here. You put a line at that red candle. Look at what happens. A fake out exactly right there is where the fake out you would be looking for to take this possible buy up here. But now the next thing to find is 79.50. Yeah, so that went lower. All right, so the next thing to find is a possible where we're going to be heading now for this. So I have another play I'm working on, but yeah, I don't know if Zion, are you in here by chance? If Zion is here, Lassic, or if you're in here too, comment below. Let me see. I want to explain something. Make sure you guys are here, but look it, guys, this is what I've been figuring out, okay? Is that, okay, look, on a 15-minute right here, there's a 42, right? And what I say is that it leads into a fake out, which is right here. And the fake out right here is usually a 3-piece if it's an official like turnaround in a sense. So if you go down to the 5-minute, now that's where the 3-piece happened at. So this is possibly another fake out. I'm wondering if this is just a fake out to continue down, because the reason why I would say that is because if you're in a sell from way up here, how you know it's a good sell, if when even the pullback doesn't test it. And this is where I'm saying is this was possibly that onion play that I'm possibly you would probably want to take. So if you guys are looking at the bottom right of my screen right here, look at the bottom right of my screen. You see how those candles make like a backwards N, like the letter N, a backwards, That's what exactly the yellow highlighted area is, exactly what's happening right there. So that's why I'm saying is that that's how I could understand why this could possibly be the perfect entry, because what do I always say is that the 42 leads into a three-piece. The three-piece is right here. So now we got to see where it's going to continue down. So I'm wondering if this could possibly be the top of this area. So what I need to try to look for though is another 42 or three-piece to try to see where we're going to be heading now. So this is where I say, look at what played out right here was this 42 that was a fake out down to go back up. So now when we go to a smaller time frame, this already played out perfectly. Okay, so now let's go to a 1 minute and see what's playing out right here. It gets real spooky, man. You get deep into this when you start to like really understand what I'm understanding. It's like a never-ending thing. It's like, man, it's crazy. Like you could almost like, I don't know how right I am, but sometimes you could like pinpoint exactly the point of where it's gonna happen at. That's why I'm saying, look at this dotted line right here. Look at how exactly fake out perfectly, and that was without even moving it. I just used a certain area. But let me see another area right here. The high 80.63, 80.63. So that technically broke it. That was the high. So the high 80.63, 80. Nope, that broke it. So that would be. So we still need to come down. So we're gonna be coming down right now. I think this could be a top wick right here, actually. Oh, look at. That's going to be the fake out. The reason why this is telling me this could possibly be a top wick right here to come back down to these areas. Because I don't see nothing giving me a signal that we're going to continue back up yet. Because like I said, a 42 leads into a three-piece. A three-piece leads into a 42. So a three-piece doesn't lead into a 42. It actually leads into this is what I'm trying to figure out. And this is what I'm trying to tell you guys before. You guys are the first one. And what up, GG? This is you guys are the first ones I'm telling. This is what I've been working on in the last few weeks though, is that like I said, look, this is the thing is what I'm trying to point out. You guys need to understand this. Look, there's one play here. There's two plays here. This is the third play I'm trying to figure out. I'm so close to figuring out, but I'm going to figure it out. But the reason why I say that though is that this is on a 15-minute time frame. This is a 42. It leads into a three-piece, which is this guy up here. And then the three-piece leads into this new play that I haven't figured out yet, that I can't even name. I've been seeing it play out so much though that it tells me that I'm wondering if this could possibly be a top wick also for this 15-minute, because this could be a top wick to come back down. I'm wondering. But let me look a little deeper. But that's what I'm saying though, is that it's just there's plays out there that I'm figuring out that. Oh look, this is a possible three-piece on a 5-minute. And what did I say? Ooh, right here. So right there would be that. So let me see. Yeah, it's gonna come down. It's gonna come down. See, like I said, look guys, this is a three-piece right here. This is the idea of a three-piece. It would be the break of this. Ooh, it's going up. So it would be the break of that, and if it comes back into this range, it would usually signal a three-piece, but that thing is starting to move now, so I would stay away from that. I wouldn't do anything with that. But this could be taking out this high right here, because this candle right here didn't have a top wick. So if this didn't have a top wick, I'm in sell exactly that spot. All right, let's see. But like I said, this one didn't have a top wick, so I'm wondering what that could be. But then this is possibly creating another. Let's see. Let me see real quick. This is a high of here. The high of this is 81.17. 81.18. Okay, so that just broke it. And then this 42, which will go to the previous high, which will be this. So I'm thinking, I wonder if this could be the one that goes back down. Let's see, hold on. So that would be the previous high. So I'll go to the high. So it'd actually be right here then. So this is where the, damn. Yeah, I appreciate everybody for watching. If you guys haven't hit that like and subscribe, hit that like and subscribe. We're almost at 1,600 subscribers. We're trying to hit that 1,600, guys. Help a brother out. Appreciate you guys. Damn, look at that thing moving. But this is what I was expecting, because what did I say earlier when this was kind of going on? What time frame was I on? I forget what time frame was on. I said it needed to come back up here to kind of grab some liquidity, but it was because it was going to be a fake out. Let me see. Three-piece, so that fake, that was a three-piece there. So I think it might have been on this 1 minute. Let's see. Yo, appreciate you guys for watching though. Appreciate it. Let's see. Dude, that's what, oh man. Yeah, that was like a perfect little salary play though, it looks like, honestly. Look, if you guys, okay, now if you guys look at this over here, this was a salary play pretty much, just like this. It looks like that play after all then. And that did just close above on the 30-minute. The hourly, damn, look at that. So I think I guess that's where the idea of where the buy must have came from then, was probably because this candle right here did close above this range right here. It closed above and it had a long top wick. So with this bottom wick, it could kind of signal, you know, it needs to go up. Or I could at least fill the wick at least, you know, so. But there is some things going on. I do see possibly even this 86 area could be next. So yeah, I mean, I'm staying out of anything right now just because of like, it is kind of, I need to try to figure out. I've been a little scatterbrained right now. All right, so like I said, is that on this 15, it created 42. It played out perfectly. So what happened next was this 42, and then this one played out perfectly. Boom, right there. Now what's next is that was that one right there. So that means there's going to be a fake out right here. This candle and this candle. So that says fake out down to go up. So that means the break of the high would be here. And then where would your next target be at? So the next target will be oh, I wonder if that could be it. Okay, this could be the next target right here then. Hold on, let me see. I think it might be. Okay, so if that's on the 5, then it would be, or let's see on the 1. Let's see. So the 5 here. So that's maybe it's on the 15 then. Bruh, I'm wondering if this could possibly be. Damn, this thing is moving, bruh. Yo, what up, Aram? What up? Yeah. So what I'm kind of doing right now, I'm looking for something right now. So let's look to see what we could possibly see. Oh, I wonder if that could be the area then? Could that be the area? So if no, that might not be. It might continue. So would that also give me but yeah, appreciate you guys for stopping by though. Appreciate it. If you guys haven't hit that like button yet, hit that like button for me. Appreciate it. Do you think it would reach 2,000? Well, I mean, to be honest, I do see us tapping these 2,000 areas. I just don't know when. You know, that's the hard part, is trying to predict exactly when. But on a higher time frame, like up on the 30-minute, I do see at some point, you know, these highs getting tapped, at least if we want to continue down. So that's just kind of what I'm thinking is, you know, when it's gonna happen, who knows? But pretty much, let's see on this hourly. Yeah, so if it's pretty much, it looks like a range 1 still. So yeah, so I wonder if I could get rid of that. I'm wondering if I could get rid of that. Why is it there? Okay, because it's the resistance of that. But then there's also support of that. So this is a 42. Plays out here on the fake out. Boom. And then that's the one that goes to the previous high, which is here. Previous high there. And that's where it tapped. wasn't able to get the buys. 73 took a pad, and when I got back, prices. Damn, I know, that's crazy. I know. I mean, to be honest, it would have been ideal to have these trades right here, but I don't think I think I might have. What time did we get on? Like right at 4:30 probably. So that's around here, right when this started moving up. So yeah, I kind of got it too late. I mean, this makes sense though. This is exactly the play we would be looking for if we were trying to take a trade, which is exactly the breaks of these highs right here. So since that played out, you know, the next idea, I mean, if you kind of look at it, it's a perfect little onion play right there. You know, it's like an onion play. Look, if you guys look, it looks like an N, right? Like the letter N. That's exactly what's over here, just like this. Right here at the bottom. Right here at the bottom middle. It just looks like the same type of letter, like the N right there, you know? So that's why I say it's important just to be able to see it all while it's happening. That's what's important, you know? Yo, what up? What up? Ripping. I know, fam. We ripping. I know, man. And look at this, did tap. So I'm wondering what's next now. So what's next? Okay, so look, a possible. I wonder what could be next. Another salary to continue up. So that would be a 42. So it would be here. So a higher time frame. 83.11. 83.11 right here. Ripping. GJ's ripping. No. Yeah, appreciate it. Leave a like, guys. Appreciate it. If you guys but yeah, appreciate it. Rom, I'll see you guys in the I'll be in New York. I'll be at the New York session. I'm just warming up, you know, just trying to get my feet wet, trying to see what the market's doing. Is there a way you could get the chart with the patterns you've been showing? Oh yeah, Lucas, I'm gonna show you right now, Lucas. I'm gonna teach you something right now, brother. I'm gonna teach you right now, brother. Oh, yo, I was looking at PCs. What you guys think? I need to grab a PC. Which one you guys think I should get? I need to get the expensive one, huh? Anyways, right here. Look, Lucas, look right here. This website right here. This is the master Donvo. This is who I learned how to trade from. So I just put it in the comments for you right now. But yeah, this is my buddy right here. This is Donvo. This is the master with the plan. But yeah, you just sign up, just log in. You just have to sign up with the email. It just asks the email, signs you up. You guys could buy signals and things like that. I think they just sent out a signal today. Let's see. Today's the 7th. They haven't updated it, so let's see. But anyways, when you go down here, you scroll down and it's gonna say right here, complete playbook, and then you just download that playbook, and it's right there for you. But yeah, look, if you I might have a bunch of new people that might not know, but Donvo, this is who you guys could this is who I learned how to trade from. Donvo, he streams every day for New York. That's why my buddy Aram was like, I'll see you in New York. Oh yeah, you watch him. Oh yeah, for sure. then you already know about it. I ain't even gotta explain it, brother. Ooh. Ooh. Possibly playing out. But the thing is, Romeo, we need this to break the high. If this would break the high, it might be a good idea. But the thing is if it doesn't break the high or the low, what it's going to end up forming is a 42. And then that's when it's going to be the break of the high of the third candle. Either if it breaks the high, it's going to signal fake out up here to come back down. But if it breaks the low, then it's going to signal fake out down so it could come back up. So that's why it's going to be important too to see what happens right here. Right now, 85.20 could be an area to check 15 minute. 85.20. Yeah, that's exactly where we tapped at. So this is the thing too, guys, is that what I'm understanding. Okay, so look, like I told you guys, look, a 42 down here leads into a 3-piece, and then the 3-piece is what led into this little move right here. And then that's what I'm trying to be able to read, so that way we could catch that move also. So it's pretty much just like this right here. It's just like a retest pretty much, but you could pretty much read that's gonna happen. Okay, so but yeah, so what I'm trying to figure out is I'm wondering if this 3-piece right here leads into something like this. Or actually, this is possibly, it looks like, let me see, low 79, 70. Oh no, it broke the low. It won't be that one. Yo, what up, player? Remember, rejection happened on smaller time frame. Yeah. But look, this is why too I'm understanding. Look at where the rejection happened at. It's because like I was saying, okay, a 42 led into that, and then on this time frame is the move that led into that. You see the low 79, 74, 79. Okay, that broke the low. Let's see on the 1 minute. Oh, the 1 minute's crazy, bro. Imagine trading the 1 minute. That'd be crazy. But yeah, appreciate it, player. Appreciate it. All right, yeah. So what I'm trying to figure out right now is where we are heading.